Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment. It is famous. You see it on t-shirts, it appears in cartoons. There's even Schrödinger's cat gin. The paradox is well known. But its origins are less familiar. The thought experiment features a cat. The cat is inside a box. Also in the box is a device. This device could kill the cat, or not. Quantum mechanics says the cat is both alive and dead until observed. This idea is strange. It seems impossible. How can something be in two states at once? This is the heart of Schrödinger's cat. It forces us to think about the weirdness of the quantum world. Schrödinger's cat is a powerful tool. It helps us understand quantum mechanics. It also makes us question reality. Is the cat alive? Is it dead? We only know when we look. Erwin Schrödinger was a physicist. He devised the cat thought experiment in 1935. He was grappling with a new theory. This theory was called quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics described the behavior of the very small, think atoms and the particles within them. Schrödinger, like many physicists, struggled with the implications of this theory. One of the strange aspects of quantum mechanics was superposition. This principle says that a particle can exist in multiple states at once, but only until it is measured. Schrödinger found this absurd. He created his thought experiment to highlight this absurdity. He imagined a cat in a box. A radioactive atom was also in the box. If the atom decayed, it would trigger a mechanism. This mechanism would release poison, killing the cat. Schrödinger argued that until the box was opened, the cat was both alive and dead. Schrödinger published his thought experiment. He hoped it would spark debate. He wanted physicists to confront the strange implications of quantum mechanics. But his cat paradox was met with silence. For nearly 2 decades, Schrödinger's cat languished in relative obscurity. It garnered few citations in scientific literature. It seemed the paradox had failed to capture the attention of the physics community. However, the cat was not forgotten. In the 1950s, a resurgence of interest in the foundations of quantum mechanics brought the paradox back into the light. Physicists began to revisit Schrödinger's thought experiment. This renewed interest breathed life into the cat. It was no longer a mere footnote in the annals of quantum mechanics. Schrödinger's cat became a central figure in debates about the interpretation and meaning of this strange new theory of the universe. Now I introduce you Ursula K. Le Guin. She changed everything. The 1970s saw Schrödinger's cat make an unexpected leap. It jumped from the pages of physics journals to the realm of science fiction. The catalyst for this transition was Ursula K. Le Guin, a renowned author known for her thought-provoking explorations of science and society. Le Guin encountered Schrödinger's cat while researching for her 1974 novel, The Dispossessed. Intrigued by the paradox's implications, she penned a short story of the same name, published that same year. Le Guin's story brought Schrödinger's cat to a wider audience. No longer confined to the esoteric world of theoretical physics, the paradox began to permeate popular culture. Readers were captivated by the story's blend of scientific concepts and literary artistry. Le Guin's story acted as a bridge. It connected the complexities of quantum mechanics with the imaginative world of storytelling. Schrödinger's cat was no longer just a thought experiment for physicists. It became a source of fascination for anyone curious about the mysteries of the universe. Now, Le Guin's literary cat. Let's take a closer look. Le Guin's Schrödinger's cat is a short story. It's only a few pages long, but it's packed with meaning. The story features a narrator. We don't know their name. This narrator has a cat. The cat is yellow. There's also a dog named Rover, and a box. Inside the box is a quantum gadget. This gadget is like the device in Schrödinger's thought experiment. It creates uncertainty. Is the cat alive? Is the cat dead? We don't know until we look. Le Guin uses this setup to explore big ideas. She tackles uncertainty. She examines the role of observation. And she questions how we create certainty in an uncertain world. The story ends with the box being opened. It's empty. Then, the roof flies off the house. Stars fill the sky. Le Guin leaves us with more questions than answers. That's the point. Schrödinger's cat is about embracing the unknown. Schrödinger's cat escapes the box. The influence of the cat in fiction. Le Guin's story opened a door. After its publication, Schrödinger's cat began appearing everywhere in fiction. Writers were drawn to the paradox. It offered a potent metaphor for exploring themes of uncertainty, duality, and the nature of reality. Robert Anton Wilson embraced the concept wholeheartedly. He wrote the Schrödinger's Cat trilogy. These books use the paradox to explore themes of quantum physics, philosophy, and conspiracy. Other authors followed suit. They crafted their own tales around the famous Feline. H.R. McGregor's novel Schrödinger's Baby imagined a baby existing in multiple states. Adam Felber's Schrödinger's Ball used the cat to explore the absurdity of life. Schrödinger's cat became a staple of science fiction. It allowed writers to explore complex scientific ideas, and it provided a framework for questioning the nature of reality itself. The cat had escaped the box and found a new home in the world of literature. So, what's the cat's paw print on science? Schrödinger's cat is more than just a cool idea. It's had a real impact on science. The thought experiment has been used to explore everything from quantum computing to the nature of consciousness. In quantum computing, scientists are trying to build computers that exploit the strangeness of quantum mechanics. These computers could be incredibly powerful. They could solve problems that are impossible for classical computers. Schrödinger's cat helps us understand how these computers might work. The paradox also has implications for our understanding of consciousness. Some scientists believe that consciousness might be a quantum phenomenon. They argue that Schrödinger's cat could offer insights into how consciousness arises from the physical world. Schrödinger's cat continues to fascinate and inspire. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger than we can imagine. And it challenges us to keep asking questions, even if the answers are as elusive as a cat in a box.